Okay, so the recording has started. Original sound is
तो
on.
आरपीएम का करने का है ना?
No, no, no. नहीं, मैं लिखा था ना.
नहीं, आपने लिखा है आरपीएम का आज टुडे?
Oh, did I write RPM or Ganesh
या
Panchartna?
नहीं, आरपीएम लिखा था आपने आज।
यस।
Oh, sorry. Did I write
हाँ
कोई
RPM?
भाई,
बात नहीं।
मैंने ट्राई की है। आप सुनो, आपको अच्छा लगे तो मैं ये कंटिन्यू करती हूँ।
मतलब क्या?
हाय गिरी नंदिनी, तानपुरा पे।
No, 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 no. No, today was really.
नहीं, जस्ट एक
गणेश
ट्राई, वन पैराग्राफ,
गणेश स्तोत्र।
फर्स्ट पे।
Okay, okay, sure. But
चेंज कर लेंगे।
we don't want to do, yeah, because it's, Saturday is Ganesh Chaturthi, so just want to make sure that we are done.
आई
Oh,
नो।
sorry, actually, I didn't. Mine is just copy paste kiya. Oh, I didn't realize that it is because I told on Tuesday कि Thursday, Friday is going to be this.
या
Yeah, bolo. Oh, you were also there in the class na on Tuesday.
यस।
Yeah. Okay, you want to if you want to do the first four
खाली
lines
एक
of
एक
yeah, yeah,
लाइन ही
yeah. I get in
बोलूंगी।
Nandini of first four lines. Yeah.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवती हेसितकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
Okay.
चलेगा ये?
Oh, so this is not harmonium. This is the Tanpura mein.
नो, तानपुरा।
Yeah. Okay. So both are fine. The other one is an official music. So अभी ये fortunately I've done the recording. You listen to this recording and then you can decide. I don't have any problem doing either way. Okay, so if you think that you want to do the whole thing this way, it's fine. इसमें एक ही है कि between every paragraph you have to give good some amount of time before you pick the next paragraph because उसमें music होता है, so that gives you a time to breathe.
नहीं, इसलिए मैंने लिख के रखा है इसमें, मेरी डायरी में।
नहीं नहीं वो नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ
फिर
कि
कंटिन्यू
between the
करना पड़ता
paragraph या
है, थोड़ा ब्रेक मिल जाता है म्यूजिक से। यस
उसमें because there is a break, so
यस।
in classical singing what they do they give a tal, so you don't give randomly, you don't wait, so you give a tal, say let's say 4 beat. Shailasute Suravaravarshini. So I give 2 beats and then start meaning like that.
ओके।
जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि so so when you do the next one, you give 2 beats, exact
ओके।
equivalent to the, so that for somebody who is hearing, they know exactly when they can expect to start in 2 beats. 4 will be too long, but 2 will be. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You decide if you want to do
मैं
this or
सोच
that.
रही थी कि ये जो इसमें ना थोड़ा स्लो मोशन में मैं गाऊंगी ना, तो एक एक वर्ड सुनाई देगा सबको ठीक से।
Correct. Correct. Yeah. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. The good thing is we have recorded. आप
या
record में सुनो, see how it is sounding to you.
यस।
And also you can record yourself also. Let's say 2 or 3 verses because this way you got a much longer thing. How it's sounding. And would you prefer that or with the other one? I don't have any preference because our whole point is to chant, or whole point is chant. Our whole point is to chant right, and it is a Devika thing, eh? And then we are doing whatever we taught in Sangeet. So that will be true in all cases. So no problem. Okay. Before we start,
राम
let
भाई,
me say.
एक बात बताऊं, आपने लिखा है ना कि आरपीएम का है, तो कोई कोई लोग ये करने नहीं आएंगे फिर आज, पता नहीं होगा तो।
Oh, that is true.
हाँ, तो आप अगर उसमें लिख दे कि सॉरी आरपीएम का नहीं करेंगे, आज गणेश स्तोत्र करेंगे,
Yeah,
तो
yeah, yeah, yeah.
शायद
Chandan
सब
Man
कोई
has come
पढ़ ले तो
for.
आ जाए।
यस
Yeah, Chandan Man has come for RPM. I know that. Chandan Man, so sorry. Actually, we are this because of Saturday Chaturthi, right? We want to complete
Okay.
the Ganesh Pancharatnam. So we are going to finish that. You're welcome to stay because we
No,
are
no, I
completing
have
it
to
today.
go. That's why
Yes,
I
sure.
joined in early. I
Oh, so
said
you
I'll
wanted to sing
just
and
finish
go.
mine.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry. We don't want to do RPM today only
Yeah,
because
no,
just want to
that's
make
fine.
sure
That's
that
fine. That's
Ganesh
fine.
Pancharatham is done
Yeah,
today.
that's fine.
Okay, yeah. Feel free
चंदनबेन
to go.
रजा, चंदनबेन તમને
रजा
रजा
हमको छुट्टी दे दी आज
छुट्टी दे दी आज
राम भाई ने
टीचर
छुट्टी दे दी
नहीं नहीं नहीं
टीचर
नहीं
टीचर आज टीचर डे है ना, तो टीचर खुश
हाँ
हो गए।
यस टीचर्स डे
ट्रू ट्रू वेरी ट्रू
हमारे हमारे टीचर को प्रणाम
थैंक यू गुरुजी
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
गुरुजी को प्रणाम आज।
Thank you. Thank you. So enjoy the thing. Let me 1 second. Let me go and message in the group. I'm sorry, actually. Okay, I just messaged. Okay, all right. So sorry. Okay, so we can go ahead and start. But before that, let me, let me go line by line, 5 and 6. So for those of you who have any confusion, okay, is that okay? And then we'll go. So 1 to 4 you all have done anyway. So let me go through 5 and 6 so you can do 1 through 6. Okay. So 5 goes something like this. Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam. Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam. Achintya rupa mantahina mantaraya krintanam. Achintya rupa mantahina mantaraya krintanam. Hridantare nirantaram vasantameva yoginam. Hridantare nirantaram vasantameva yoginam. Tamekadantameva tam vichintayami santatam. तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्. So it's just that for me singing is little bit a problem because of the throat, but I can very slowly try to sing. Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katma. No, I won't try to do singing, so I'll try to avoid. So the six will go like this. Mahaganesha pancharatna madarena yonvaham. Mahaganesha pancharatna madarena yonvaham. Prajalpati prabhatake hridismaran ganeshwaram. Prajalpati prabhatake hridismaran ganeshwaram. Arogatam doshatam susahitim suputratam. Arogatam doshatam susahitim suputratam. Samahita yurashta bhuti mabhyupayati sochirat. Samahita yurashta bhuti mabhyupayati sochirat. That is the end of the stotra. Okay? Alright? Okay. If you would like, I can, yeah.
Can
Do
I
you
start?
want to, do you want to hear how it is going to sound with the music and everything? So I can play because I have recorded it, so I can play. I can play that.
Yes, please.
Okay, do you want? So should I play the whole thing? Or
Yes.
like only 5 and 6?
No whole things because we have to sing whole, isn't it today?
Oh, of course, yeah. Because
So
I might, so that might help. Just give me 1 second.
okay.
Rambhai, do from 1 to 5, 1 to 6.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll do that. Give me 1 second. Let me find it where it is. Okay, found it. I think this is the one. Let's see. Okay, here we go.
जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां उदाकरात मोदकं सदा साधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां नतेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां समस्त लोक शङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जनं करे तरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारि पूर्वनन्दनं सुरारि गर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्दनं हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरं मरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां
Okay. Yeah, yeah. But don't worry, it is just a, and fortunately it's there in the recording also now. So you can listen to this a few times and you'll get, you'll get it. So we are only chanting right now, so you don't need to do the tune. But if you already know, because the tune is kind of same for all the paragraphs, so don't have to worry too much about it. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we are doing without music today. Whoever wants to start.
I will read only.
Up to you. So there is no restriction really because we are only few people. So if we
Since Tuesday I am reciting this, but I find it little bit hard, so I said I will only read today.
okay, sure. Yeah. And so somebody, I mean, somebody else might want to, so they may know the three of it, the remaining three they may want to read. So depends. Yeah.
I will do perhaps till 4.
Sure.
I haven't done this too. Mudakarat modakam sada vimukti sadakam kaladara viktakam sang vilasi lokarakshakam अनाथकैनायकं विनाशिते बद्ध्यत्यकं नत शुभासुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकं न ते तराति भीकरं नवोदिता भास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनश्वरं नित्याधिकाय दुत्तरं सुरेशवं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमश्रेवरात्यर्निरन्तरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुल्यं हरेतरो हरं वर्वरे भवक्त्रमुक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं महाकरं यशकरं मनस्करं नमस्कृता नमस्करोऽपि वासरम् अकिञ्चनातिं माजनं चरतनोकितभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनुष्यादिभीषणं कपोदानवारणं भजे पुराणवर्णम् I'm trying since 2 days, but my pronunciation, if I have to sing, then I have to practice a lot.
Yeah. But to be honest, you are already like 70 to 80% there.
Oh,
So what you did right now is, I would say 70 to, probably 70% for sure. You're already there. So and also, so one thing I want to stress to all of you, which Meenakshi said initially, that by doing on the harmonium, she's able to then sing slowly every word, kind of a thing. So you are doing it much faster than that is needed now, meaning, so when you're doing without the music and everything, do it ekdam. You don't have to do really samasta loka shankaram niranta daitya kunjaram dare tarodaram varam vare bhavakram aksharam kripakaram chamakaram mudakaram yashaskaram manaskaram namaskritam namaskaromi bhaswaram. So just ekdam aram se ras leke gao. There is no need to go at a like a bullet train. There's no need to do that. So what I'm saying is, because that will give you time to read everything properly,
yeah.
and every word का आपको pronunciation वगैरह आराम से कर सकते हैं. Then actually, just to do an example, can you do the Mudakaram part of it? Since we have less people, we have an ability to do this. I think. Can you do the Mudakaram part, the first 4 lines? इसका verse fun, एकदम आराम से, relaxed.
मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्त
Slow. Mudakarat modakam sada vimukti sadak. Yeah.
कलाधरा वक्तकं संकविलासी लोकरक्षकं अनाथकैनायकं विनाशिते दैत्यकं नतसुभासुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्.
Correct. So इसमें there were more mistakes than the original one, but इसमें so what you do is, suppose if you have this kind of a problem, right? Break it down slowly, even further, and half line at a Mudakarat modakam sada vimukti sadhakam kaladharavatam sakam vilasi lokaraksham. So that you make vilasi lokarakshakam anayakaikanayakam Veena, so go one half at a time and aram se, so that there is, and the entire paragraph, even though maintain the same speed.
Okay.
Just because a line doesn't mean you go at a higher speed and the remaining lines again back to slow speed. Just maintain whatever speed you maintain throughout the thing and learn like that first.
Okay.
Okay, all right, okay, yeah.
This I tried 2 days, Wednesday,
No, I'm sure
Thursday.
you will do it because you already know, like, 70 to 80% you already know. So, but I'm saying that all the best way to learn anything, Hindi song of this is to slow down.
Okay.
Yes, in slow motion. So when you in slow motion means uniform speed, uniformly slow. It is not कि ये हाफ लाइन मेरे को पता है तो मैं फुल स्पीड में जाऊंगी and then next हाफ मेरे को नहीं पता है तो मैं स्लो जाऊंगी. मुदाकरात मोदकम सदा. No. Just maintain. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, do that
Yeah.
and it will be fine. I mean, this is a standard technique of learning, any
And
song,
this is not
especially.
for RPM. This is only for our program now, ne?
Correct. Correct. Unless if you have learned this well enough and you think that maybe I should switch my song in RPM to Ganesha Pancharatnam, you can do that. Yeah.
No, I will stay.
Yeah. No. I'm not asking you. I'm saying if somebody else, yeah, that's why I said if somebody else thinks that they have done this really well and they would rather do this than this thing, yeah. So this also we have taught now. So this is one more thing to
No, I will learn this for myself.
Yeah. No, this is the whole idea of this was to learn for our Chaturthi. Yeah, Chaturthi.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Jyoti Ben, you want to go?
I have to go, na?
Sure. Okay, Jyoti Ben, एकदम आराम से गाना, कोई घाई करके मत गाना. Okay. And maintain the same speed all through.
I will try.
No, yeah, you can. Just keep going.
मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशि देवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तराति भीकरं न वोदितार्कभास्वरम् न मत्सुरारि निर्जरं नताधिकापदुर्धरं शुरेश्वरं निधेश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्मणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीन मनन्तराय कुन्तनं तदैतरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्न मादरेण यो नवः प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदिस्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगतां दोषतां सुशाकितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहिता युरुष्टभूति मम प्योति शोचितात्. लास्ट लाइन थोड़ी मिस्टेक है.
Yeah, Samahita Yurashta Bhuti Mabhyupaithi Sochirat.
समाहिता युरुष्ट भूति
Yurashta, not Yurashta, Yurashta Bhuti Mabhyupaithi Sochirat.
समाहिता युरुष्ट.
Yeah, Yurashta.
समाहिता युरुष्ट भूति
Yurashta it is not Yuru, it's Yurashta.
युरष्ट.
हाँ.
ओके. समाहिता युरष्ट भूति मैं
Mabhyu.
व्युत्पत्ति सोच.
Mabhyu.
Mabyu.
Mabhyupathy.
Mabhyupatay Sochrat.
Correct. Correct. So I would say that you are well above 95%, accurate. Um, and
Rambai is
yeah,
going to tomorrow on WhatsApp.
yeah, tomorrow, क्या हुआ? Tomorrow,
This recording will be on WhatsApp tomorrow.
sorry, समझा नहीं, मतलब?
This recording today.
Oh, today's recording में अभी आज, I'll post it today only.
Then I will practice also from
Sure,
the.
sure. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank.
Yeah, no problem, Champaben.
Okay.
So Jyotiben, actually in the 5, Nitanta, Kanta, Danta. So I just want to make sure that. So let me chant and make sure that you have written it correctly. Can you check that?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, check करो. मैं बोलता हूँ. नितांत कांत दंत कांति
1 minute.
मंत
1
कांत.
minute. 1 minute. Okay. हाँ.
Because I felt you had a mistake there. I don't remember exactly where. Nitanta Kanta Danta Kanti Manta Kanta Katmajam Achintya
चिंत्य
Rupa
Achintya.
Achintya Rupa.
Achintya.
Yeah, Achintya.
Achintya.
Achintya. Achintya Rupa Mantahina Mantaraya Krintanam हृदंतरे निरंतरम वसंतमेव योगिनाम तमेकदंतमेव तम विचिंतयामि संततम. Okay? All right. Okay.
Shall I repeat that much?
Yeah, okay.
नितांत कांत दंत कांति मंत कांत कात्मजम अचिंत्य रूप मंतहीन मंतराय कृंतनम. Is it
Correct.
कृंतनम हृदयतरे निरंतरम वसंतमेव योगिनाम तमेकदंतमेव तम विचिंतयामि संततम.
Correct. It is hridantare. Hridantare. Line 3 is hridantare. Starts with hrid.
हृदयतरे.
Yeah, hridantare. Okay, like hriday. Yeah.
हृदयतरे.
Okay.
मारो वारो આવી જાય.
Okay. So who wants to go next? Okay, Meenakshi. Yeah.
मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावसन्तकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्. न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं नमस्सुरारिनिर्जरं न तातिकापदुत्तरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गणेश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम्. समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं नमस्करं नमस्कृतान्त नमस्करोमि भास्वरम्. अचिन्तनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम्. नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तिकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूप मन्तहीनमन्तराय कन्तनम् हृदयन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्. महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण यो नहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके रीति स्मरण गणेश्वरम् अरोगतां दोषतां शुषा रीतिषु पुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूति ममाभ्युपैति शो। ये यहीं पर ही गड़बड़ हो रही है सभी को।
हाँ, तो समाहिता युरष्ट भूति मभ्युपैति सोचिरा.
अभ्युपैति सोचिरात।
Yeah, see, this is where slow motion helps. Samahita yurashta bhuti mabhyupaiti sochira.
अभ्युपैति
Split it into 4 pieces. You know, Samahita, the yurashta bhuti mabhyupaiti sochira.
सोचिरात। ओके।
See, I'll tell you, everything gets simple when you slow it down. You know, so just slow it down, you will know exactly what to do. Yeah, then it's easy to, you know, break it down and understand. But so anyway, regardless, it was pretty good. It was nice. I think over 90% of, for sure, you got it right. Okay. Yeah, and listen to the recording, because just have a habit of listen to the recording and match with your script to make sure to understand कि कहाँ पे you know mistake हो रहा है, and yeah, do and make sure that doesn't happen. Yeah, okay, all right.
थैंक यू। आई हैव टू गो।
No, no problem, no problem. Okay, who wants to go next? Okay, Hansa man, yeah. Oh, so Ranjan man, is that okay if you go next?
Ranjan Ben.
Let Hansaben do it first.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, because both of you stay back anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yes, I don't mind even last one.
Yeah.
So, is this alright to do in mic?
Yeah. Well, you don't need to ask. Yeah.
Shall I try this anyway? Okay. मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितैर्भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तरातिभिकरं विनोदितार्कभास्करं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न तादिकापदुतरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाक्षयेत् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे प्रवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृता नमस्करोमि भास्करम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं निरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकान्त्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृतं नमः रदन्तरे निरन्तर वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण
योन्वहम्.
महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण यो वः जालप्रतिप्रभात
हृदि स्मरण गणेश्वरम् अरोगतां दोषता सुशाहितिं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभातु भाति पम्युपेति सो चिरात्.
या सो ये जो लास्ट जो है इट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट देयर अर्लियर व्हेन आई रेड सो द वे इट गोज इज महागणेश पंचरत्न मादरेण योन्वहं महागणेश पंचरत्न मादरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगताम दोषताम सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूति मभ्युपैति सोचिरात. So the whole thing will sound something like this. महागणेश पंचरत्न मादरेण योन्महं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगताम दोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात्. Okay, that's how it will sound. Yeah, no problem. ओके रंजन मैन या फिर आशा मैन.
Asha Ben.
Okay, Asha मैन, you want to go ahead?
Hanji. Yes, I will. Namaste. Sorry, I'm missing some classes.
Don't worry.
Because I have some guests and busy. Sorry. But I did a little bit practice. I will listen to the recording. So I hope it will go right.
Okay.
If it is not, let me know.
Don't worry. No.
मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासी लोकरक्षकम् अनायकेकनायकं विनाशितेपतेतकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्. न ते तराति भीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नतातिधातकाप नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नतातिधापकाप नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नतातिकापदुधरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गर्जेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परातपं निरन्तरम्. समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम्. अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपच्यनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम्. नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृतन्तनम् हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्. महागणेश पंचरत्न मादरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरण गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितिं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपेति सोचिरात्.
Okay, so I would say you're over 85% to 90% there. So which is good. ट्यून आपको फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. But the one tough part you have solved is reading it out, which is one of the most important thing. And I think at least most of you are at a spot where you can actually chant in a temple without music, right? Because you can really chant in a temple or even at home and not just in a temple. So I think that is good. I'm really feeling very very happy that all of you are able to read it, nicely. So by tomorrow, I think we all will be set, nicely with the complete stotra as a whole. Yeah. Ranjan man, you want to go? Then we'll have Raksha Bandhan. Yeah.
Okay. मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितेव नताशुभासुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तराति भीकरं विनोदितार्कभास्वरं नमस्तुरारि निर्जरं नताधिकापादुदरम् सुरेश्वरं निदेश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशास्करं नमस्करं नमस्कृता नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकीच्वनाति भाजरं न चिरन्तनोति भाजनं पुरारि पूर्वनन्दनं सुरारि गौरव चरणवणं प्रचञ्चनासभीषणं जयन्तयादिभूषणं कपोलिदानवरणं भजी पुराणवारणं नितान्तकान्तदान्तकान्ति मन्तकोन्ति कन्तमञ्जनम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीन मन्तराय कुन्तनं हृदन्तरे निरन्तरे वसन्तमेव योगिनाम् एकदन्तमेदतं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् ये बहुत मुश्किल होगा. I haven't done this one, last one.
And do it slowly, na?
Okay.
Mahaganesha. Yeah. See, I'm telling you, anytime difficulty is there, slow.
Okay, Rambai. Mahaganesha pancharan rantamandaran yodanavaham.
Okay, you know what? Let me do one line, you repeat.
No, I'm going to record when you do it.
Huh?
I'm going to record your voice.
No, that is there in the recording, na? In this
Okay.
only it is there.
Okay.
Just so when I am doing it, because it might be good for all of you actually to repeat. Mahaganesha Pancharatna.
Pancharatna.
No. No, I'm saying you repeat after me. Mahaganesha Pancharatna.
Mahaganesha Pancharatna.
Madarena Yonvaham.
Madarena Yonvaham.
Prajalpati Prabhatake.
Prajalpati Prabhatake.
Hridasmaran Ganeshwaram.
Yudhiswaram Ganeshwaram.
Yeah, and also look at the lyrics when you are doing it. Arogatama doshatam.
Arogatam doshatam.
Susahitim suputratam.
Susaditam siputratam.
Samahita yurashta bhuti.
Samahitayu
Yurashta bhuti. Mabhyupati sochirat.
Mabhyupati
Sochirat.
Sochirat.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So it is not that bad, Okay, so we have Raksha Ben only left. Hello, Raksha Ben.
Hello.
Okay, so
Sorry, Rampai, I was just later.
no,
I just
no,
came.
no, don't worry. You had already messaged me, please. Don't. yeah, you can, the plan is to just chant without music. Yeah.
Okay. Do we
And
need to
aram
read?
se slow, relax, and yeah.
Okay.
Like, Mudakarat modakam sada vimukti, that speed.
Okay. And no Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh?
No, because, that is a repetition thing that I think you should separately learn. Is very important, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah.
मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षमम् रक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितेज नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्करं नमस्तुरारिनिर्जरं नताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरन्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपज्यनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकान्त्मजम् अचिन्यतं रूपमन्तहीन मन्तराय कृन्तनम् हृदयेन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्तनम् महागणेश पज्यरत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहं प्रजल्पि प्रभातके हृदि स्मरणं गणेश्वरं स्वरम् आरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहिती सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूमि मभ्युपैति सोचिरा.
Okay, so I would say, over 85 to 90%, right?
Okay, sorry, I just done with you only 2 of them. Rest of them I just learned now.
Okay, okay,
Sorry,
no
so
problem.
that's why I wasn't sure about the.
Yeah, but
yeah.
no, you're fine. So that's the thing, when you do it slowly, it is easy to. Then the mind will automatically split exactly where it needs to be split. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I think by tomorrow we'll have it. So at least, even if not with the music, because with the music, then you need to have the rag correctly come out, and that might take some time. But before Chatur, before the end of the 10 days, I'm pretty sure you all will be good at that. But at least you can chant, like this in a nice way. Mudakara, in like go to the temple or at home. Mudakarata modakam sada vimukti sadakam. So that it will sound nice. You know the whole thing. You're not doing any part of it. You're doing the whole thing. Okay. So so that is my goal. Ki by tomorrow, and then music though you will automatically do on your own. And whenever you do the that Ganesha jo loop hai na, the chorus jo hai. Don't do it a high voice.
Okay.
Because conserve your energy, and because you have to become a part of the chorus. So in a low volume do it. because you have to do because वो बहुत बार repeat होता है, so don't want your voice to be tired
Okay.
with that. Okay?
Okay. So tomorrow we are doing the.
Again same
Okay.
same thing.
Okay.
Again
Thank
same
you.
thing, but tomorrow with the karaoke if you can.
Okay.
If you can be with the with the karaoke. If you cannot, just read it out. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay? All right?
Okay. Thank you.
ठीक है? Yeah. Anything else?
Sorry.
Yes, Asha bhai.
Ram bhai, from next week, I'm not here. From tomorrow,
Yeah,
I'm not here
Right.
for whole week, for next
Right.
week as well.
Right.
But you know the song which we are going to, which I want to sing on RPM
Right.
show.
Right.
Can I do practice today, if it is possible or not?
Yeah. So we can let others go, or if anyone wants to stay, they can, and you can do your song. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, because I'm sorry.
You're doing Namo Namo Ji Shankara, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Feel free to do and rest. Feel free to drop off. Because she's not going to be there next week, and
Yeah.
that's why.
I'm sorry, I'm missing so many
then
things. But
tomorrow we're meeting up tomorrow again, yes?
Yeah, tomorrow again for Ganesh Pancharatnam with music. If not without music, with or without music.
Then I shall take a leave. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Please.
Jai Shri
Sorry.
Krishna to everybody.
Jai Shri
Okay,
Krishna.
no problem. Jai Shri Krishna. Yeah. Okay, Asha.
Shall I?
Yeah, sure.
जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे पाप के बिना चले सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला। तेरे नाम की ज्योत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था। ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा, था कभी नहीं मेरा। अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या, जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका, मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा। नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। चंद्रमा चंद्रमा ललाट पे, भस्म है भुजाओं में, वस्त्र बांध छाल का, है खड़ा हूँ पाँव में, प्यास क्या हो तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में। दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया, मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं, तूने सिर्फ है दिया। समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा, द्वंद्व दोनों लोक में विषामत पे था छिड़ा, अमृत सभी में बांट के, प्याला विष का तूने खुद पिया। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा।
So Ashaman, you are able to do the full song, which is great, because your timing is also not bad. The
I did mistake in between.
that little bit, yeah, true. I'm glad that you noticed that. But what I would suggest is while you're on vacation, iska tune, try to match with the original tune. Okay, download the original song, और हमने जो क्लास में किया जो भी, और उसको you try to match with the tune, the song as a whole. It is not because you're almost there, so you should not have a problem. Okay, but that's good. You're already, yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I think we are done, but Madhuben just joined, I think. So Madhuben, we are see, like I mentioned, today's class is only for Ganesh Pancharatnam,
Yeah.
not for the RPM.
Yeah, but I just came to tell you that you were going to send me the Tanpura for scale D sharp.
Oh, आपका कौन सा स्केल बोला?
That's okay.
Which one?
For Tanpura.
No, correct. No, आपका स्केल कौन सा बोला आपने?
D sharp.
Is it D sharp? Give me 1 second, let me check.
Because you given me 5.5 scale.
1 second. Oh, here we go. Oh, we didn't do yours. I've written here, why we have not done is after recovery. I think at that time, probably you had something. I said after recovery. So we didn't do
Okay.
yours. We did for a lot of people. So you are sure it is D sharp?
Yeah. Char Kali.
Okay. Yeah, that is D sharp. Yeah. Okay, ठीक है. चार काली. Okay, ठीक है.
I think Charkali
Yeah.
is G sharp, isn't it? In
Yeah,
fact,
yeah, चार काली should be
G sharp.
G sharp. Yeah, that's what I
Is
was.
it G sharp or is it D? Okay.
It is G for God. G
Oh,
sharp.
is it?
Okay, so you're sure it is चार काली, right? Then I'll give you for चार काली. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
yeah, it's Char Kali, yeah.
Okay, ठीक है.
So Ganesh Panchatram, do you have any in English or Gujarati? No.
Yeah, somebody posted the Gujarati lyrics in the group.
Oh, I
Yeah, 2-3
in
days ago.
in the group.
Yeah, in the group. They posted the lyrics for Ganesh Pancharatnam in Gujarati. I think Indira Ben posted it just 2 days ago.
Oh, okay. I'll have a look.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, she
Thank you.
posted. Okay, all right.
I'll
Let
practice that and
sure,
then
sure,
probably
sure.
next time. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Bye.
anything else before I stop the recording?
No, thank you.
Okay.